Ellie, do you like the rice cereal? Do you like the rice cereal?
Is it good?
Is it Num Nums? Here we go. Does that mean it's good or bad? I can't tell. Is it good or bad? Huh?
Another bite?
There you go.
Mark?
Another bite. Here we go. Is it good or bad? Ellie?